Did you know that you could already be using one of the most potent healing foods at your fingertips right now? Yes, I'm talking about garlic. This small, spicy, and slightly pungent bulb has been used for thousands of years, not only for flavor, but also for treating ailments. Packed with nutrients and containing potent compounds, garlic offers a wide range of health benefits. Let's dive deeper into why this little spice might be worth considering in your daily routine. First and foremost, garlic is a natural antibiotic. It contains a compound called allicin, which has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. In fact, before the availability of modern antibiotics, garlic was used to treat various infections and wounds. Even to this day, it can support your body's defense against harmful bacteria naturally. Garlic also works wonders for heart health. Research suggests that consuming garlic regularly can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and improve overall circulation. This means garlic may significantly cut down the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. And doesn't stop there. Garlic is also a fantastic immune booster. If you're feeling a cold or cold-like symptoms coming on, consume raw garlic or add it to your meals to help you bounce back faster. Its antiviral, anti-inflammatory properties help your body's natural defense system and ensure you're healthy all year long. Not to mention, garlic is linked to reducing cancer risks. Some research suggests that garlic's antioxidants can help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of specific cancers, such as stomach and colorectal cancers. And let's not forget its benefits for getting rid of toxins. Garlic assists your liver to eliminate toxins, supports healthy digestion, and may even lower heavy metal levels in your body. Not only has garlic proven to be beneficial for our overall well-being, but it's not just for those who consume it. Some research suggests that garlic can also have positive effects on brain health. Being exposed to garlic's antioxidants may protect your brain from damage. And some studies suggest it may lower the risk of developing neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and dementia. So what are you waiting for? Give garlic a try. It might just be the missing ingredient to your health and wellness journey. So next time you're cooking up a batch, don't forget the power of garlic. Your body will thank you.